We have a new case to investigate.
Do we now?
We need to figure out how they're transforming our culture to value STEAM. It's
1511. I knew they were still out there. Give me Detective Hannah. We'll need her help.
Okay, I'll give Hannah a call.
You called?
It's 1511. We need to figure out how they fulfill their mission. Let's go.
Could it have something to do with their signature event, the Grateful Red Music Festival? I hear it brings our community together with local bands, food trucks, a robot demo, and STEAM activities.
Yes, but that's just the tip of the iceberg.
Last year, they ran 121 events. How did they do so many?
It could have something to do with the fact that their events are run by students, which strengthens leadership skills in the students themselves.
But what do they do for other first teams?
You might be thinking of Ruckus, their Halloween-themed off-season event where FRC teams play last year's game.
And they even mentored 58 first teams in the last 3 years.
It looks like 1511 uses social media to interact with their community, and they're even open source.
Wait a minute, why are we investigating an open source team? We can just look up their team wiki with all their documentation and SOPs. Their Smug Mug Media Archive has pictures from the last 20 years? This team's older than its students.
And according to its social media, they run and host a practice competition called Rally for teams to test their robots before competition. And for its 20th anniversary, it's become a week-long event.
That's great for first, but how do they ensure access to STEAM for everyone?
We can answer that one. To develop and advance team opportunities, we ran 32 demos this year, from Maker Faire to Books and Bots to the New York State Capitol building.
Speaking of, we started the annual New York Advocacy Conference to learn and teach effective advocacy strategies with other New York First Teams and meet with state representatives. We are lobbying for Bills A3445A and S1576B to start and sustain First Teams in Title I schools, and these bills are already in their respective committees.
And we didn't stop there. We partnered with our district to turn STEAM Day into a whole STEAM week full of events, and we helped deliver 2,000 STEAM kits, enough to give one kit to every kid in all 4 of our elementary schools.
I think I've got it. They create student leaders who start and sustain teams.
To ensure STEAM access for everyone.
And transform their culture to value STEAM.
We're just doing our job.
And that's a fact.
Case closed?
Case closed.